Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I am going to show you how you can turn your credit card into cash. Yes, this is a hack and trick which has never been posted on YouTube or any other platform. So yes, it is a secret hack and trick for you. But before moving forward with this video, I would like to tell you that I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $8,000 credit card with no credit check and just a soft pull. So in order to watch that video as well, please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video, and please click the like button so it will reach more viewers out there on the YouTube community. Thank you so much. Without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So there are some things that you need to remember, and these things are really important. Remember, only use this trick and hack if you are in a dire need of cash. You are in an emergency or you need cash at any cost and you don't have any other way. The second one, that if you need cash and your credit card don't allow you cash advances. Yes, remember this, you have a credit card and you don't have a cash advance offer in it or feature in it, and you need cash, so you can use this trick and hack. Now the third one, that your cash advance fee is really high. So what it means, that you do have the cash advance in your credit card, but the fee is so high that it is stupid to actually do the cash advance with your credit card. So then you can use this trick and hack. Now there are certain things you need in order for this trick to work. The first one, you need a credit card. Yes, because right in this video, we are learning how to turn the credit card into cash. So remember this. The other one is your Cash App account. Yes, you need a Cash App account in order for this trick to work. So remember that. The third one is that you need another Cash App account. It can belong to any of your friend or your relative. So yes, the first thing you need is credit card, the second one is your Cash App, and the third one, that you need another Cash App account. It can belong to any of your relative, your friend, your brother, your sister, your wife, your girlfriend, or anyone in your community and in your circle. Now the step number one. The step number one, that you need to link your credit card with your Cash App. Yes, you can do that. When you go into the settings, it says add funds. So when you click on it, you can add the debit card or credit card. So in this scenario, you need to add your credit card and link it with your Cash App. So this is the first step, remember. Now we're gonna go towards the second step. The second step is that you need to transfer money from your Cash App to your other Cash App account that belongs to your friend or relative. So remember, the first step, you need to link your credit card with your Cash App. The second one, you need to transfer money from your Cash App to the other Cash App. It will require a certain fee, but the fee is minimal. Now the third one, that the other Cash App account should withdraw the money from their Cash App to their linked bank account. Yes, so what they need to do, the third step is that they need to withdraw the money from their Cash App to their bank account. Now the fourth one and the last one, that you need to transfer the money from their bank account using Zelle to your bank account. It seems a little too much, but believe me, this is the simplest way where you can turn your credit card into cash without any hassle. So now to summarize, let's review it. You need to link your credit card with your Cash App, then you need to transfer money from your Cash App to your other Cash App account. Now the third one, that you need to withdraw money from that other Cash App account that you transferred money to the bank account, and then from that bank account you can use Zelle to transfer money to your bank account, or you can always withdraw cash from that bank account if that bank account or Cash App belongs to any of your relative or friend. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and comment for more great videos like this. And remember, right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get $8,000 credit card with no credit check and just a soft pull. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.